Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 G550. This one is a Designo Magno Black matte finish. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 twin turbo pushing out 416 horsepower and 450 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A Designo black Napa leather interior with a Designo piano lacquer wood trim. Sunroof. Rear seat entertainment. Opening up the tailgate. Set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, trailer hitch. G550 badging. Blind spot assist, power windows, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, a Designo piano black lacquer wood and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls. We've got our multi-contour seats. This G-Wagon has 60,834 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this G550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.